Hey guys, Dr. Krystalyn Lowery, BirthFit South Denver. Today we are going to be showing you functional progression 2. So here we are on hip, knee, foot, and elbow. Elbow is stacked right underneath your shoulder. Actually, I should bring that in just a teeny bit for you there. And she is going to maintain a nice neutral spine. Pretend there's a string and you're going along through your head. This is beautiful. A lot of people will start in that sunk position, which is not ideal. And the knee stays a little bit open, kind of like clamshell position. What you're going to be doing is, with your intra-abdominal pressure without breaking neutral spine, lifting and bringing hips forward and through into full extension. Beautiful. And come back down, Ashley. If this feels challenging, you're losing your intra-abdominal pressure or losing neutrality, this is as far as I'd like you to practice for now with this movement. However, it does continue to get more challenging. The other big mistake we see is that people want to see if they're neutral. So they look down at their own abdomen or legs. That's breaking neutrality in spine. So try not to watch yourself. Maybe utilize a long mirror in your home or gym. After that, you can actually add a kick through with the leg and maintain this open external rotation of the hip. Ashley, go ahead and big intra-abdominal pressure, kick through. Beautiful. This is like you're kicking a big, huge beach ball in front of you, so the hip stays open. What we see a lot instead is that the hip will close and people will come through with the knee like a crunch. Great job showing what not to do. We don't want to be doing the side crunch. And then last, once those are both easy for you, it will actually be with arm and leg. So driving that front knee into the ground. Beautiful. She's got arm and leg in one fluid motion as the hips are fully extending. That is the motion preparing to crawl. So that's the developmental milestones we're hitting here to train our stability in shoulder, in core and pelvic floor, and in hip girdle.